So a bit of background on what this is all about. At the end of 2024, the official Tama Drums YouTube channel released a video showcasing one of the brand's long-term endorsees, Lars Ulrich. It was a rare official video exploring the finer details of Lars' past drum kits and equipment, starting from the very beginning of Metallica to the present day. For the first time, at least from what I'd seen, attention was given to the grey Tama Granstar Custom drum kit. Known as the Damaged Justice kit, Lars used this setup during the 1988 to 1989 Damaged Justice tour. I've always found this kit intriguing ever since I first saw it in the band's video for One. Understandably, there's a lot of attention given to his signature white Artstar 2 kit that he would later use on the Wherever We May Roam tour for the Black album, but not much emphasis has been placed on its predecessor. It was cool to finally see the actual drum kit up close in high definition, accompanied by commentary from Lars himself. A couple of weeks after that video came out, I was scrolling through eBay and came across the same model of snare from that kit. This particular snare and size don't appear that often, so I jumped on it immediately. At that point, I had no intention of starting another drum kit project as I was already strapped for space. But then, a week or two later, two rare sizes of Granstar Custom drums appeared on eBay, an 18x16 floor tom and a 14x13 tom. So I ended up buying them. I figured since I was already this far in, I may as well go all the way and create a 2-spec replica of the entire Damaged Justice kit. Finding pieces of an almost 40-year-old discontinued vintage kit is challenging to say the least, but finding shells in these rare sizes felt nearly impossible. I've had to import all of the pieces so far, mostly from the US and Japan. I found the two 24x16 bass drums, the 12x11, 13x12, 14x13 and 15x14 mounted toms, and one of the two required 18x16 floor toms. I also have the 14x8 AW218D snare. The rarest size of all, the 15x14 tom, was sourced from the UK. It was part of a complete kit, but I managed to convince the seller to sell it to me separately. I only need to find one more of the 18x16 floor toms to complete the shell set. For the purpose of the video, I placed the 18x16 floor tom from my Artstar 2 kit as a stand-in for the second 18 floor tom. The hardware used on the kit was from the 1986 Tama Titan hardware series. I've managed to source the correct hi-hat stand, aux hat, and the two MTH50 tom holders, which were extremely hard to find. I found 4 of the 6 6904T Titan boom cymbal stands. Again, for the purpose of this video, I've used 2 Titan stilt stands for display purposes. The 2 bass drum pedals are the correct 1983 Pro Beat bass drum pedals. So to close on hardware, I'm still searching for 2 more Titan cymbal stands, the correct snare stand, and the correct throne to complete the setup. I also need to source the correct lugs, T-rods, and spurs for one of the bass drums. I'll make a follow-up video tracking the progress of this project. In the next phase, it will cover stripping the shells down and refinishing them in the custom Gunsmoke Blue lacquer finish, as well as refinishing the shell hardware and tom holders in the custom black powder coat. So, stay tuned.